Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using the platform. GUN.io, a Freelancer platform review and usage experience. GUN.io is a specialized freelancing platform designed specifically for software developers. If you're a developer or a company looking to hire one, and you're curious about this platform, I encourage you to explore the link provided in the description. Let's delve into what GUN.io brings to the table and who can benefit most from using it. GUN.io operates as a premium freelancer marketplace, connecting seasoned developers with businesses seeking top-tier talent. Unlike broader freelance platforms, GUN.io focuses exclusively on the tech industry. This targeted approach makes it an ideal resource for developers in search of engaging projects and for businesses seeking rigorously vetted professionals. The platform emphasizes remote freelance work, enabling developers to collaborate with clients across the globe. A key feature of GUN.io is its stringent vetting process. Freelancers undergo a comprehensive screening process to ensure they meet the platform's high standards. This includes technical evaluations and detailed interviews. This rigorous vetting ensures that clients can confidently engage with reliable and highly skilled professionals. Developers also benefit from this system by gaining access to serious clients who prioritize quality over cost-cutting. GUN.io's unique matchmaking process is another significant advantage. Instead of sifting through endless job postings, freelancers are presented with opportunities that closely align with their specific skills and experience. This saves valuable time and effort. This curated approach benefits both developers and clients by ensuring a strong match from the outset, which contributes to more successful collaborations. The platform provides a streamlined experience with integrated tools for communication, project management, and payment processing. This allows developers to concentrate on their coding work, while GUN.io handles the logistical aspects, such as client onboarding and contract management. Secure and timely payments offer freelancers peace of mind. GUN.io is particularly well suited for experienced developers seeking challenging projects without the hassle of navigating crowded, generalist job boards. It's also an excellent solution for businesses needing access to pre-vetted talent for mission-critical projects. While the platform might not be the best fit for beginners due to its focus on established expertise, it presents a fantastic opportunity for seasoned professionals looking for a streamlined, high-quality freelancing experience. To summarize, GUN.io distinguishes itself as a premium platform for tech freelancers and the companies that need them. If you're ready to take your freelancing career to the next level or find exceptional developers for your next project, explore GUN.io using the link provided in the description below.